Then are you trying to do something to me? Then lie detector test.
കൈ വെച്ചോ.
Okay.
കേറോ ഇത്? കേറുന്നില്ലല്ലോ ഇത്.
അത്ര ടൈറ്റാക്കി ഞാൻ കംഫർട്ടബിൾ ആവത്തില്ല.
Are you about to take a lie detector test?
Don't know. Yes.
Are you nervous?
No.
No. So let's get started. First question. Are you self-conscious about yourself?
At times. ഭയങ്കര ബീച്ച്. ഷോക്ക് അടിച്ചേ.
So I think you're not at times. You might be conscious always, maybe.
ആണോ?
Yeah. Now, second question. Do you spend a lot of time looking into the mirror?
Not much these days. Music. I'm getting shock again. I think this only gives you shock.
That's okay. That's okay. You just make it a point that you say truth. Okay.
And still get shocked.
Yes.
Rather I lie.
Yeah. അല്ല അത് എനിക്കും കൂടെ കൺവിൻസിങ് ആവണമെങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ ഞാൻ സമ്മതിക്കൂ അത്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Do you like what you see when you look at the mirror?
Of course. Can't you see? ഇതും ഷോക്ക് അടിച്ചേ. ഇതൊരിക്കലും ശരിയാവത്തില്ല.
Okay. Next question. Do you have a favorite sibling?
Yeah, I guess. I think I do. Can we cut the... ഇതും ഷോക്ക് അടിച്ചേ ദേവി. ഇതാകെ ഷോക്ക് മാത്രമേ അടിക്കുന്നുള്ളൂ.
Now, next question. Do you think looks are more important than personality?
No. In that case, I wouldn't have married you, DB. Now I need not to get electrocuted. അതും ഷോക്ക് അടിച്ചു.
അതന്നെ അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Do you think you're funny?
Yes. അതും ഷോക്ക് അടിച്ച്. ഇത് ആകെ ഷോക്ക് മാത്രമേ അടിക്കുന്നുള്ളൂ. Don't buy Chinese stuff.
Don't depend on that machine. That machine sucks. എല്ലാവർക്കും അറിയാം. It is just that you need to come up with what you think is right for you.
കൈ ഇതിൽ വെക്കണ്ടല്ലോ.
അത് ഊരിക്കോ. Next. Would you ever blame the other person for the mistake you made?
Yeah.
You do?
Mostly anyone on the earth would do it. I do it as well. That's how I am surviving this marriage. അപ്പൊ അത് ക്യാമറയിൽ തെറ്റാ. ഷോക്ക് അടിച്ച്. അപ്പൊ I never put blame on other people. Yes, my machine, I love you. Can we do this without the machine?
If you want to do it without machine also, you do it without machine because machine is stupid. Now, next. What is the biggest lie you have ever told someone when you were dating? അത് ആരാ എന്താണെന്ന് പറയണ്ട. You can say you have told a lie and what lie it is.
Next question, please.
പറഞ്ഞോ.
Next question, please.
Okay. Next question. Do you have a guilt conscience after lying or sleep soundly at night?
I have a guilty conscience after lying, yes, but still I'll sleep soundly.
Yeah.
That's my process of life. It doesn't change.
പറഞ്ഞാൽ മതി, സുഖമായിട്ട് ഉറങ്ങിക്കോളും.
Any given day.
ആരെ കൊന്നിട്ടാണെങ്കിലും വേണ്ടില്ല.
I feel bad about it, go eat, then I sleep.
Yeah, okay. Now, have you ever said I love you even though you did not mean it?
Yes. Any number of times in my life. Are these surprising? I don't think so. It's any bit surprising. Yeah. I've said it to too many people. Yeah.
You've said it to too many people. Okay. Next. Have you ever blabbed about something you promised you would keep a secret?
Yeah, I've done that too as well. Mostly it relates to like friends stories, but yeah, I've done that too. People,
You've done that too.
Yeah. There's not a single question where I need to lie here.
Correct. Is there anyone you care about more than yourself?
Yeah, I do.
Who's it?
Many people. My mom, my dad, maybe if not for this, my wife, things like that.
ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ വരുന്നില്ല അത് കേട്ട് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഒരു നിമിഷം
ഷോക്ക് അടിച്ചെന്നിട്ട്
ഒരു മിനിറ്റ് നിശബ്ദത.
ഓഫ് ആയിരുന്ന മെഷീൻ വരെ ഷോക്ക് അടിച്ചു.
Are there any secret you're currently keeping away from your BFF?
No.
No. So you're very open to them. You discuss everything with them.
There's nothing secretive happening in life these days. So there's nothing like to keep away from people and stuff like that.
Do you think you are the smartest one in this room?
In this room, without doubt. And green, it's right as well.
Yeah, right. Now, about your relationship, okay? Or do you think everyone has a soulmate?
I used to believe so, but maybe not so much now.
Why?
I think it was a process of being matured, I guess. I don't believe in soulmates now.
Do you believe in love at first sight?
Yeah. But the process is, it's just, you have love at first sight multiple times. So it doesn't work that way. But you fall in love the first time, you're like, wow, and then you just go, great.
Do you have the similar feeling after getting married?
Maybe not. You never know, like, yeah, I think, yeah, maybe. But as I said, it's not a thing that you pursue. So you just look at someone and you'll be like, wow, and then completely go about your life after that. So does it make a difference?
Do you think about your ex?
Yeah. Does it everybody?
Allah. Are you a good kisser?
You tell me.
This is a question towards you.
No, like how would I ever
like
say...
you have that confidence, right? Certain people have a confidence in, yeah, I am and all of that.
But
do you
yeah,
think
most probably they would be lying, or it would be something that they've been told. I have never been told that I'm a great kisser. Does that answer your question? I don't know.
Okay, good. Do you want to have babies anytime soon?
I don't think so. It's a guy's decision in a relationship.
No, if you are given a choice, what is it? A yes?
Given a choice by whom? By my spouse?
Maybe.
Yeah, then I would say yes, why not?
ഈ ബ്ലോഗ് ഇവിടെ വെച്ച് അവസാനിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നു guys.
You asked me what I felt.
ഇതായിരിക്കും നമ്മുടെ അവസാന ചോദ്യം. ഇന്നത്തോടു കൂടി
You said it comes to a spouse here, so I'm just saying out in the open right now. Yeah.
എന്റെ ദൈവമേ, ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഞാൻ കട്ട് ചെയ്തളെ. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സുബിന്റെ ഉമ്മ കണ്ട എന്റെ മോന്റെ താല്പര്യമുണ്ട്, അവളാണ് ഇതിനൊന്നും സമ്മതിക്കാത്തത്.
Imagine what your mom would say. Yeah.
Next question.
Yes, please.
Are you 100% happy with your married life?
I don't think so. Any person at any point of time will be 100% happy in a married life. That doesn't work. If anybody says they're 100% happy, then they are either lying or they are, what do you call it, living a false life or some shit like that.
Do you compare your present partner with your ex?
No, it's not how it works in my head.
It's not how it works in your head. Okay, then how does it work in your head?
No, you just compare moments, right? Like when you were younger, the concept of love was different for you, and when you're older, when you're in your 30s, it's completely different. So it's not a person-to-person comparison, it's just a situation-to-situation things. How certain people would have reacted to certain situations, and that changes from person to person.
Now, I'm going to give you a situation, okay? It's a holiday.
It's a holiday, yeah.
Okay, so we have planned to go out.
You have planned to go out, yeah.
And there's two options in front of you.
Two options.
Okay. Plan A is that to spend some time with your friends. Plan B is
Plan
that...
A. Did I win the round? Do I get something hamper, some shit like that?
Plan B is that... Plan B is that to spend time with your family.
With my family.
Not my family, like a current situation, I'm saying my family.
Okay.
Okay.
You gotta be more specific.
Okay, so what would you choose?
Like what we are doing right now, we will be trying a mix of both. Maybe lunch at family, dinner at friends, and stuff and things like that. Yeah. But yeah, I still am young at heart to say that most probably would like to spend more time with the friends.
Are you a selfish person?
I would like to believe no, but yeah, everyone has their own selfish interest at heart at sometimes.
Did you lie at any question through this interview?
Obviously.
Which question was that?
Sorry. You couldn't catch it, then it's your problem, not mine.
ഞാൻ പെട്ടെന്ന് ആ മൊമെന്റിലായി പോയി ഒന്നും മനസ്സിലാൻ പറ്റുന്നില്ല ഞാൻ വലിയൊരു പ്രൊഡ്യൂസറും മറ്റേ ഇന്റർവ്യൂവറും എന്നുള്ള
Okay, and your machine doesn't work.
It's okay, machine doesn't work. I knew it. When I bought it, I knew that it will not work. But it was
At least one question you shouldn't have given me a shot.
No, but it was just a feel of it. അത്രേ ഉള്ളൂ.
Okay.
I wanted to try it out and this was cheap. So I just bought it. അത്രേ ഉള്ളൂ.
Okay, now your turn. Come here.
No. So my last question. Do you feel that you're an honest person?
No.
You're not.
I don't think I'm an honest person.
You don't think so? You're not an honest
I
person?
don't think I'm an honest person.
What is that one thing which you want to change in yourself?
Maybe somehow brings a bit more discipline in life. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah. I think I'm a bit lazy still, so I would like to change that. And by that, what I mean by a bit more discipline in life. And that's about it.
Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. This was supposed to be a lie detector test, but unfortunately our machine was not working, so then we ended up doing it as a small interview. Ee video ishtappettundengil do like and do tell me what do you think about this by commenting below. appo namukku adutha video il kaanam. Aduvareykum oru bye bye parnam.
Cheers, bye.